Did you know that over 7 million metric tons of tuna is harvested yearly? This reflects the massive global demand for canned tuna. Let's dive in. In this vast tuna production facility, hundreds of workers process tuna for canned production. Tuna is a type of fish that lives in the ocean. There are different types of tuna, like yellowfin and albacore. When the freshly caught tuna arrives at the processing plant, it undergoes a crucial phase of inspection and preparation. The tuna is carefully examined by trained personnel to assess its quality and freshness. Once approved, the tuna goes through a meticulous washing process to cleanse it of any sea debris and residual matter. In this expansive tuna production facility, the intricate process of preparing tuna for both massive and canned production involves the initial step of skillfully cutting the fish into substantial chunks before entering the cooking phase. Expert workers adeptly handle the large tuna, executing precise cuts to create sizable sections. Subsequently, the prepared tuna pieces go through cooking methods such as steaming or baking. These cooking techniques not only enhance the flavor of the tuna, but, more importantly, they contribute to the safety of the product by eliminating potential harmful bacteria and parasites. The cooking process typically involves placing the tuna chunks in large, specialized vessels. These vessels are designed to accommodate the substantial volume of fish and provide even heat distribution throughout the cooking process. The tuna chunks are often cooked through a combination of steam and direct heat, ensuring thorough and consistent cooking. The cooking vessels are designed to bake the tuna for a prescribed time and temperature. The chunks are carefully extracted from the specialized vessels. These cooked chunks, now flavorful and tender, are then transported in large carts to the next phase of production, where a dedicated team of skilled workers takes over for detailed cutting and skin removal. In this crucial step, hundreds of workers use knives to carefully cut and refine the tuna pieces. The goal is to achieve precision in cutting, ensuring that each piece meets the desired size and quality standards. Additionally, the workers meticulously remove any remaining skin, further enhancing the texture and appearance of the tuna. As the pieces are cut and refined, they are placed onto conveyors, facilitating the flow of the production process. Throughout this manual cutting and inspection phase, other workers closely monitor the quality of the cut pieces, making adjustments and refinements as needed. This hands-on approach ensures that the final product meets the stringent specifications for consistency and quality. The additional cutting and refining of the tuna pieces on conveyors by more workers serve a specific purpose in the canning process. This step is crucial for achieving uniformity in the size and appearance of the tuna meat before it is canned. By manually inspecting and adjusting the pieces on the conveyors, workers ensure that each portion meets the predetermined standards for consistency. Uniformity is essential in canned tuna production for several reasons. First, it ensures that each can contain a consistent product, providing consumers with an even distribution of tuna when they open a can. This consistency also contributes to the aesthetic appeal of the final product. Tuna cans come in various sizes and shapes to cater to different consumer preferences and usage. The first one is the standard round can. In the large-scale production of canned tuna, the process of filling round cans is a well-coordinated and automated operation designed for efficiency and precision. As the prepared tuna moves along the production line, conveyors specifically designed for round cans carry them to the filling station. Here, an automated system ensures the precise and uniform distribution of tuna into each can. The round cans are positioned on the conveyor, and as they move along, a precise mechanism dispenses the pre-cooked and prepared tuna into each can. Quality control measures are implemented throughout the production line, including weight checks, visual inspections, and monitoring of the sealing process. Once filled, the round cans move to the next station where automated lid-placing machines carefully seal each can. Some cans may feature easy open lids or pull tabs, which are also applied during this stage of the process. The lids are securely placed to maintain the freshness and safety of the tuna inside. Automated machines apply labels that include essential information such as the product name, nutritional facts, expiration date, and branding. This ensures that consumers have clear and accurate information about the contents of each can. The labeled cans are then carefully packaged for transportation, often in groups or multi-packs, depending on consumer preferences and market demands. Rectangular flat cans, as the name suggests, have a flatter and rectangular shape, allowing for efficient storage and stacking. Large round cans provide a classic cylindrical design but with increased volume. These cans are also capable of holding substantial quantities of tuna, making them popular for households with higher consumption needs or for commercial purposes. In the production line for jarred tuna, the process involves specialized machinery designed to handle glass jars. Large rolls of glass are fed into the production line, where they are molded into the appropriate jar shapes. The tuna is dispensed into each jar, ensuring an even distribution of the seafood and its accompanying marinade. The use of glass jars not only allows for larger quantities of tuna, but also enhances the visual appeal of the product, providing a more upscale presentation. Once filled, the jars move through sealing stations where lids are securely placed, preserving the freshness of the tuna and its flavorful marinade. Labels are applied, conveying important information to consumers about the type of tuna, nutritional content, and any additional ingredients. Before packaging, the canned tuna goes to a crucial sterilization process to ensure its safety and extended shelf life. The sealed cans are subjected to controlled heat, known as retort processing. This sterilization step not only eliminates potential harmful bacteria, but also contributes to the preservation of the tuna. During the packaging process of canned tuna, stringent quality control measures are implemented to ensure that only products meeting the highest standards proceed for distribution. In a dedicated quality control laboratory, samples of the filled and sealed tuna cans are subjected to thorough testing. This may involve weight checks to confirm that each can contain the correct amount of tuna, ensuring uniformity across the production line. These warehouses are strategically organized to efficiently handle the mass quantities of canned tuna. The cans are typically stored on pallets or shelving systems, with careful consideration given to maintaining product quality and preventing damage during storage. Inventory management systems are employed to track the quantity and types of canned tuna in the warehouse. As different sizes and packaging options may be stored together, the warehouse organization is critical for quick retrieval when orders are placed. Whether canned or jarred, tuna can be a quick and easy addition to salads, sandwiches, and pasta dishes. With its rich flavor and high protein content, tuna continues to be a staple in households and restaurants, providing a convenient and nutritious option for a variety of culinary creations. If you're curious about how your favorite foods make it from the field to your plate, there's so much more to discover. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay engaged with the fascinating world of food production. Thank you for watching The Smart Farm.